Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Miracles Beneath the Surface. And this video is about you. I love you. I love you. And I love you. Now, you may say, you don't know me. You can't even see me, so how can you love me? Very interesting. You have a fine point. You know, that same instance is brought out in 1 John. And we read that in 1 John, and it brings up that same thought. 1 John chapter 4, verse 20 reads, "If a man say, I love God, and hateth his brother, he is a liar. For he that loveth not his brother, whom he hath seen, how can he love God, whom he hath not seen? And this commandment have we from him, that he who loveth God love his brother also." Now it's just not his brother, but also his sister, his friend, his family. But the thing about it is first, do you wake up constantly looking in the mirror and you find something to complain about? Are you happy with what you see in the mirror? Or is it disappointment? When's the last time you looked in the mirror and not looked at the things that are surrounding your eyes, but looked totally in your own eyes and said, I love you? It's easy to tell someone you love them and mean it. And it's easier for other people to tell someone they love them and not mean it. And all day long you can say, I love God. But when was the last time you looked in the mirror and said, I love you? So the question is how can I tell you I love you and I don't even see you? I don't know you. How is that possible? But how is it possible for you to say you love God? This is just a video to reflect. How can I love God when I haven't even loved what He has created? Something to think about. Have a beautiful and wonderful day. God bless.